What's up, everyone? This is your stream, Mr. Steven, and welcome to the Steven Factor. And yes, I'm in my bed right now, so I should definitely get some rest for the next 2 hours or so. Oh, excuse me. It is Sunday night. It is late, and I hope everyone goes as well and takes a little bit of rest. And the February is almost over and it's fast too. I hope you guys enjoy Valentine's Day, and especially for me as well. But I don't celebrate Valentine's Day because I'm still single. But you know what I'm talking about. But it's okay actually. Um, Tonight I want to do something a little different about this the episode that I never done this for a long time, and that, my friends, is called the Storytime. I've been waiting for this for a long time, in 3 years, so I decided I'd like to share with you. Now, this story time is all about the thunderstorms, and I know some people are very struggling and very ticked off about the thunderstorms, and you know what? It, uh, it was completely sick, and I was one of them. When I was a kid, I always loved snow, and man, I feel so sleepy. When I was a kid, I used to love the snow so much, but when you're an adult, it feels like you're in a bad mood. So I want to tell you the story, which just really bothers me, and even I really don't like it as well. It was started on the March, 3 years ago, on from March 20th and through March 21st. I know that this winter storm is no joke, thanks to the Mother Nature. And when the news report just came on, when Mayor de Blasio made the announcement that the school will be closed on tomorrow morning. So, excuse me. So, my aunt and my cousin were very happy and surprised. And for me, I was so ticked off because I need a little bit of extra peace and quiet. But 24 hours later, the snow came down really hard, and it's not a blizzard like, it's just a normal winter storm. So, true story, by the way. It's snow day, and schools are closed. People want to stay inside and relax. But me, I supposed to relax. But no, my aunt wants me to go to the store. And you know how long I've been doing this in this situation in the middle of this winter storm? 6 hours. Yeah, 6 hours. And it really ticks me off because I'm supposed to stay inside and relax, you know? So, the bank was closed, but it's not open until the next hour. And now my aunt wants me to go to the store to buy some few things. So I took the shopping cart and went to the store. But there's only one problem. I can't even struggling with a blue cart. People didn't even shovel their own sidewalks, and that is just not fair. So went to the supermarket called Associates, and I just bought so many stuffs to get ready for prepared. And at the same time, my aunt texted me to buy some more stuff, and I really cannot remember whatsoever, to be honest. But I was like, oh my god, I was so ready to take off. So I bought so many stuff as well, and I decided to try to get out at the supermarket. I already paid, and I decided to get out. So, anyways, I decided to pull this blue cart on the snow, and all of a sudden, it went stuck. I tried to pushing it and pushing it and pushing it and pushing it and pushing it hard. And it was a mess. And to be honest, it was the wrong place at a wrong time while you're shopping in the middle of the winter store. And it's just not fair. So I was very so upset. Went across the street and I saw the other store manager, and I was trying to give him the advice. I was trying to get some help. And I said to him, uh, yo, help me, man. And he just put this cart, to go through. And he said to me, why they didn't even help you? And I was like, what? And he said to me, if just listen to what he said. He said like, if they really don't want to help you, you're acting like a wuss. Now, for the first time ever, I never heard this store manager that I know for years call me a wuss before. And the meaning of the wuss, it means coward or yellow. So I was so very ticked off. So I'm struggling, went upstairs, and finally I went home. But wait, there's more. I had to go out again because I had to buy some more stuff for the meat market, to the supermarket, to the fruit market, whatever what you call it. It was terrible. I was so angry about it, and it was only very pisses me off. But when it ends at 6 o'clock, that means I'm taking some rest. And I was so upset. I was so upset whatsoever. I mean, it should never happen again in my watch. The bank was closed because the debit card was closed, but they opened an account during the next hour. Even my aunt said, I quote, I want to make a good breakfast, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, whatever. I mean, like, why have you been living is under one roof anyway in the middle of the snowstorm? And I've been out for 6 hours in this nasty winter day. Winter storm is not fun for the adults, in my opinion. And I really don't like it whatsoever. It should never happen again. And I keep struggling back and forth for 6 hours. It's a mess. So I tried to call Martin and told him what happened, and my mom called me like 3 times, and I told him I'm on the phone, and my aunt yelled at me for no reason. But I just realized it was terrible. It's winter storm, and like I said, it happened like three. It was 3 years ago, and it will never happen again. Now 3 years later, I remember it was on Sunday, and my aunt wants me to go back to that store again. And she gave me a lots of stuff again. So I took out the 2 recycling bags, went down there, make it fast. I supposed to wear slip. I supposed to wear boots because my feet always walking slow, so I had to wear sneakers instead, trying to make it faster. But when it hits hard, when I got out, I still struggling. I had to walk up, up, went back down, went back up, upstairs at home. It was, ugh, it was terrible. Then I decided to go in my room, take a little rest, and now I was so frustrated that I'm not feeling like going outside, and I start over again. My aunt wants me to buy some more stuff. Then, and when I come back upstairs, I'm finally taking a break. And when it ends on the afternoon, the snow stop and I see the sun. So just want to let you know, I want to give all these people my advice. Before the winter store comes, make sure you have to buy it early. Buy some groceries early before the winter store comes during the next day. And relax. That's the most important. Just relax. And yeah, I gotta go. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, Mr. Steven here. Thank you so much for watching my new episode of The Steven Factor. If you want to learn more about my video, especially my channel, hit the subscribe button. Alright? It's right here on your screen. And also click on the notification bell to check out my newest latest videos. See you there.